Hey guys. So this is going to be kind of a quicker video today. Wow, I'm looking a little greasy. Oh boy. Lots going on. I'm currently in the process of donating a lot of stuff, packing it up and everything, going through the whole house. So yeah. And then I only have like 2 weeks left of school, so there's kind of a lot going on. Yeah. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Krystalleimarie. Thank you for joining my channel and watching this video today. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you for coming for another day. So today's video is an unboxing. And I'm just going to do kind of a quicker video today. And that is because I have to get back to going through everything and packing and stuff. So yeah, and I have to write a 4-page paper and it's already late. Yeah. So let's get into it. Remember that I got last month's Fragrant Jewels package and my candle was sadly broken. I reached out to Fragrant Jewels. They were so respectful and so quick with their response. They apologized and sent me one without question. Didn't need to take a picture, didn't need to wait, for authorization. It just, so happy. So thank you, Fragrant Jewels, for doing that. So my new one, yay! So happy. So thank you. It smells so good. So that is from the Sakura collection, and it is Cherry Blossom. And then the other stuff that I got from Fragrant Jewels, they were having a crazy sale. I don't know if you guys saw it. What is happening? What is this? Oh my God. But so Fragrant Jewels, I believe, not even 2 weeks ago, had a sale for their bath bombs. And you could get, for example, 5 bath bombs for as low as $55, 6 for as low as $66. You get the gist? Yeah. And they had a couple other items on there too that counted as that. So this is what I got from that. Okay. Ta-da! All right. Let's do this together. Oh. Okay. Woohoo! I have not tried this yet. Yeah, so there's a broken one in there. Whatever. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, there are multiple bath bombs in here. And then the ring is just like floating in there separately. I think it's right in there. So I haven't tried these, so that will be something that I can try. These are in the fragrance Sweet Retreat. So they're just mini bath bombs. And then this one I was so excited about. It's beautiful. And it's huge. Like, look at all those colors. Like, what? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Just a little cloud. This is from the Unicorn collection. It says Fairy Tale. I don't really know what it smells like. What else? Oh, so I got a free package of rings. Cute. And then I got a Norway Lights Bath Bomb. Oh, I can already smell it. It's so good. I think I got 2 of these, if I can remember. Like, just look at the colors. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yay! Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got 2 of those. Pretty sure. Ah! Yeah, so there's 2 left. Oh. Okay. Yes, so I did get 2. That is the second one. The Norway Lights. Oh, it just smells incredible. Oh my goodness. I forget what it's supposed to smell like, but it just smells so good. And then I also got this really cute one. It doesn't say anything on it, so I don't know. Yeah. But that's really cute. It's just green and yellow. Oh, it's oh, of course I got it just because it was green, right? This is from the birthday collection. So this is the Emerald from May birthdays. So I believe that there is a green ring, you know, that with the emerald stone in here. The other ones I do not know, but let's open this one. This says Happy Hour Collection for these rings right here. Yeah. Let's see. Woohoo! All right. So we have, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. Let me put them on and show you. I think this is the one that you put them all together. You do. You put all 3 together on. And it like makes one ring. Just like those beautiful engagement rings that you see. Oh my gosh. It is. Dude, you could totally wear them separate too. Like what? All right, so here we go. That's it. Like what? So it's 3 separate ones. I'm probably going to wear them separately because, yeah. Like, what is happening? Focus. There we go. Very pretty. Very. Oh my gosh. Yay. So cute. So a code didn't come with those or anything like that. Oh, you can't even see me. A code didn't come with those. They just came in the baggie. Yeah. And I want to open the ring that's in this one. So let's do that. I also want to smell this. There's so much air in here. Like, oh my God. I'm scared. That was all the air in there. What? Ugh. Okay. Ugh. All right, so that's what it looks like in there. Let's get this little one out. I want to smell this though. Ooh, that smells like lavender and sage. I'm cool with that. What does the yellow one smell like? Same exact thing? Yep, same exact thing. Okay. It's kind of messy because one of them broke, one of the purple ones. So it looks like I have 2 yellow and 4 purple and 1 broken purple. I think so. So this has a net weight of 6 ounces. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Dun, dun, dun. My kids love popping these open. All right, so we take out the little gold thing that comes with it. And I so wanted this one. Oh my God. It's so plain, but I don't care. Hello. Focus. There we go. So plain, but it's so perfect if you like to wear these types of rings like on this finger, like that. Like that's what I do. I actually have another ring. I was hoping to get this. That is awesome. Because now I can wear this on my middle right here. Like this is the only other ring. I like to wear this one right here. So now that's super cute. Like what? Right? I don't know. I like doing stuff like that. You know, I think that that's adorable. Probably wouldn't do it on the same one. I'd probably do it on this one. Yeah, I like the look of that. It's super thick too. That's awesome. Nice. Okay, so that was my Fragrant Jewels unboxing and showing you guys. If you want me to do like more videos of like the bath bombs, like fizzing in the bath and then opening those rings and stuff, please let me know by liking this video. Give it a thumbs up. And you can tell me down below too if you want to comment. Let me know if you've also tried any of these bath bombs or if you've started burning a Sakura candle from that collection because it's so beautiful. I don't want to burn it, but like I might, you know. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified every time I have a new upload. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.